Yeah, I ain't gonna stop. I think LeBron them gonna win. You know what I'm saying? Kobe ain't die for no reason now, bro.
Man.
Come on, Lakers, bro. Kobe. I mean, LeBron.
And he said Kobe ain't die for no reason.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Man, they sacrificed Kobe. That's how I feel, bro. Like, it's bogus, bro. Like, damn, man.
You already know that part.
Rest in peace, my nigga Kobe, man. I just feel like, damn, he ain't have to die for no reason now. At least they gonna have the Lakers win.
I think they gonna actually do it.
Yeah, I think they gonna do it. I think LeBron gonna win, bro. Come on, man. Rest in peace. Oh, bless you. Oh, nigga, I done blessed your ass twice now. I done blessed your ass twice now, bro. So shit, you only got one more chance, bro.
One more time,
one more blessing.
I ain't trying to do it, bro. I'm just saying, I can't.
You see this man, bro?
Man, I ain't got
this
corona
man. No.
I'm gonna show him the door. I'm gonna show him the motherfucking door. He keep really blessing.
I ain't got corona, man. Goddamn.
You got some symptoms. I don't know what the fuck it is. There's too many blessings. Motherfucker,
I don't know what you
cut
got,
out the
bro.
blessing, goddamn it.
I don't care if you ain't try. People ain't try to catch corona either.
Okay.
Man, I'm just saying, man, I ain't,
You got one more. Tell me. I don't know what to tell you. Hey, don't catch that motherfucker. 3 times? You can't get blessed 3 times in a row, my nigga.
No, bro, don't do
You
it.
ain't Jesus.
Oh. Whoa, I done told your ass, bro. Oh, man, bro. You see this man, bro? Oh, you gonna have to get the fuck up out of here, dog. Oh, you tripping, G.
What,
You gonna have to
You
get
take my medicine, man.
medicine. Oh, you gonna get the fuck up out of here. Whoa.